Hey there, meteorologist Ryan Shopta with another tropical update. It is Thursday, June 2nd, 2022. We're monitoring Invest 91L, the tropical wave between eastern Mexico and Cuba in the northwestern Caribbean Sea. Now, the hurricane hunters are currently flying through this storm, and if they determine it's stronger and more organized, they'll either give it the designation Tropical Depression 1 or Tropical Storm Alex, which would be the first name of the Atlantic hurricane season. But right now, it's Invest 91L. What is an Invest? Invest is just short for investigative area. Then it's followed by a number between 90 and 99. And the letter afterwards, it's just representing the ocean basin it's in. So L would be the Atlantic, E would be the Eastern Pacific Basin. So it just shows you where it's at and how strong it is. Now, right now, it's not too strong. Max winds are at 35 miles an hour. Fairly disorganized. If you look at that last two frames right there, that's real-time data as the hurricane hunters begin to fly through this storm, of which lopsided, not too organized. You can see the eastern side has all the thunderstorm activity. The western side of this storm doesn't have much. It's not a classic looking tropical system, but it's tapping into the warm water of the Caribbean Sea, which is why you're seeing these very intense thunderstorms lighting up on infrared satellite imagery. By the way, if you see these pink and white colors on infrared, that's representing cold cloud tops aloft. The colder the temperature of the cloud, the stronger the thunderstorm and the higher it is in the upper levels of the troposphere and the atmosphere as well. So this is tropical wave Invest 91L. It's moving towards Cuba as the center reemerges over water and the entire storm starts to tap into water. That's when it's going to strengthen a little bit. Now, I say a little bit because what's limiting its strengthening factor is wind shear in the Gulf of Mexico on that northern side of circulation. So wind shear is the increase in wind speed with height. So with wind shear, the higher it is, the more it'll tear apart the storm. Typically, tropical storms and hurricanes, they need a very calm environment to get going. The higher the wind speeds aloft in the upper levels of the atmosphere, the more it'll tear it apart, the less likely it is to strengthen. So you'll see through Friday and Saturday, wind shear is going to be pretty moderate to high just north of Cuba and north of Florida, which is going to limit its strength in the next coming days. Now, regardless if it's a tropical depression or a tropical storm, it's going to move near Florida through Friday night and Saturday morning. Tropical rainfall, heavy downpours between Tampa and Miami through Saturday night and Sunday morning. The good news, it's going to be fast moving. It'll exit the Florida Peninsula by Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon. And then by Monday and Tuesday, business as usual for the Sunshine State from Tampa to Miami to Jacksonville to the Panhandle. Now, here are the rainfall forecast amounts. The gradient gets higher and the colors get brighter as well the farther south you go on I-95. So from Florida Keys to Miami, they're in line to see about 5 to 7 inches of rain in a matter of 2 days, 36 to 48 hours. The farther north you go towards Jacksonville, the rain will decrease and the coverage will as well. So from Tampa, about 1 to 2 inches of rain, but the highest totals will be in the southern half of the Florida Peninsula. Any questions? Meteorologist Ryan Shoptaw is my Facebook page. R Shoptaw is my Twitter handle. And very similar for Instagram. So if you have any questions, direct them my way. For now, that is wrapping up the tropical weather discussion for this Thursday. Keep it here on KENS 5 for more tropical updates in the next coming days.